I've had a lot of people ask me about my camera rig that I use for making these videos. So this is a Canon 600D. In other parts of the world it's known as a T3i. It's a superseded model, they don't make it anymore, but because of that I was able to get it at a good price on eBay. One thing I like about it is that it has the flip out screen, so I can be in front of it and I can see what I'm recording. I also like the fact that I can change lenses, so I've got a few lenses for this, and it also takes an external mic. So I've got this simple shotgun mic that I got off eBay. I can't recall the brand. I'll put it in the comments below if I remember. But yeah, this is a really neat little unit, great for photography, and also takes great high definition video. I have it on my tripod, as you can see here. I've shown the tripod in other videos. It's quite stable and strong, and it's got good rubber feet, but also sparks can come out of it if the ground is a bit unsteady. I've put this string strap holder on the side. It's something that I saw Joe Robinette do. It gives you another grab hold. So the idea being, I can put my hand through like this, and I've got support on my wrist while I'm walking around with it. It also means that when I've got it on the tripod, it's easy to take on and off. I don't have the big long strap in the way. So yeah, this is a great unit. This is my main recording unit that I do for the videos, and it's been really great so far. I've got a spare battery for it, and I've also got a battery, a USB battery charger. So the good thing about that is I can actually put the USB charger in the car as I'm going from site to site and be charging up my spare battery. Also a lot of spare memory cards, of course, and another thing that's attractive about this camera model is there is a community developed software edition called Magic Lantern, which can be added to sit in with the firmware of the camera and give you a lot of extra features, such as readouts on the screen as you're recording. You can see the sound levels and other things like that. So I haven't added it to this camera yet. That'll be coming soon. I thought first I'll need to just learn the camera and understand what it can do. But yeah, this is my main recording unit now. The other thing I use for filming is my iPhone 7S. It's great for using for little close-ups, handhelds. It does a great job, and it records in high definition video. Some YouTubers just use their smartphones or iPhones solely. I like it as my as a backup to the other stuff that I'm doing. So some of the shots that come off the main camera, and some of the shots come off the iPhone. And my last little camera that I use is just a little type of GoPro cam, which is small enough to sit in a lot of places. I can put on my hat and have my hands free for stuff. It also records in high definition, though the sound is not good, so I tend to use the sound recording from some other device and paste that over when I'm putting the videos together. But yeah, this is really handy for getting to tight spots. Two other items I meant to mention in my camera gear is this this lightweight tripod that folds down to nothing that I usually have to carry in my backpack because I don't want to carry the big one all the time. And it's really handy just for setting up if you're somewhere remote. I also have got a selfie stick, which is a Bluetooth one, and I can trigger it from here. I know people look down on selfie sticks, but it's really quite handy when you want to have a video that's held out more than arm's reach from yourself when you're just walking around. The good thing is the mount for the smartphone that comes off the selfie stick is a normal mount, and I can put it on my tripod. So that's how I can mount my iPhone and take steady shots from a tripod. So that is a double bonus. So there you go. That's my my camera outfit. The only thing I forgot to tell you is I've got a wind muff, also called I think a dead cat, that slides onto the end of this foam cover for the microphone. Tends to cut the wind. There isn't any wind today, but it's handy to have in the kit. So this is what I've been using. Thanks. See you in the next video.